friend, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In this video I am going to unbox Bluetooth speaker, portable Bluetooth speaker. You can see this. Now let's get started. Open this box. There is data cable and this is Bluetooth speaker. You can see this. There is a USB option, also memory card option. Now let's start this. Friends, I am going to also what's inside the box. Now let's open this box. You can see this. The speaker lead, and you can see the Bluetooth speaker board. It has installed one battery, built-in one installed battery, and this is too small battery, mini battery. But it has also available second of battery option. It has also aux cable option. This is for charging, and this is for memory card option, and this is for USB cable. This is portable speaker, but it has many options available. This is mode button. This is voice option. This two button has voice option. Friend, this is very good speaker. I bought this from Drazdat.pk, but it has only it has only one battery timing issue. Now friend, time for testing, voice testing. Now let's check it. Friend, this Bluetooth speaker is very good. It has a very good sound, but it has only battery issue. The next video would be about battery issue. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.